Hello, hello, K Plus users. This is Annalisa with Inside Real Estate, and I wanted to give you a heads up that we have a really amazing new class series within our self-paced tutorials in the learning portal, and it's all regards to Facebook, learning how to create your Facebook manager information, adding pixels. What is a pixel? How do you make sure the pixel's installed? So this basically is going to walk you through setup to execution to follow up of the ad. So to access this information, you are going to scroll down this left-hand side of your K Plus dashboard and click Learning Portal. And as you know, with the K Plus app, it is a direct mirror of your platform. So when you open up the app, you can also access your Learning Portal by clicking the cap. So when you click the cap, the Learning Portal opens up, and you can look to the top right and see that you have automatically been signed in. So what the system does is it helps you track which classes of which you have signed up for and your progress. So you can come and go from these classes on your own. Maybe you're at an open house, you want to check something out instead of sitting there with no chairs and kind of waiting. So you have this ability to access this information anytime, which is great. So what you're going to see are the different categories of the K Plus options. So we can actually click into the K Plus team platform. And you're going to find everything that speaks to K Plus and teams. So you've got your quick start, your agent quick start for admin, social media posting protocol, a really interesting Inside Real Estate PPC advertising tour if you're interested in having the ads done for you. There is some training for tips and tricks for mortgage lenders, helping them leverage and learn the system. And you can also use these little numbers here to see additional content. Now, to access this brand new Facebook class, you're going to click on Lead Generation. And you're going to look for this Facebook ads section, generating and converting real estate leads with paid Facebook ads. Now, this is currently 33 lessons of which we've built in, and it's going to continue growing. So when you first jump into this, you're going to see, generating and converting real estate leads with paid Facebook ads, and you're going to click here to start the course. If you look to the left, it'll show you how much you have completed so far. And it also has different sections with different types of information per chapter. So the welcome is Ryan saying hello, and say I watched this and completed, I would click, continue, complete and continue here at the bottom. And you're saying you completed welcome. And now if we look to the top left, it's saying, yep, you have completed this step, and now we're on getting started. And then this leads you through creating your Facebook Business Manager account, finding and creating that Facebook pixel, how to send it via K Plus or KB Core, how do you tell if it's installed, and then it walks you through creating custom audiences, creating your first ad, campaign basics, and so forth. Now, if you have questions anytime, it is important that you chat with support at the bottom right-hand side of your dashboard, or email us anytime, support@insiderealestate.com. Have a great day.